everyone, welcome to our foundry workshop. Today we'll take you through the complete casting process of crusher wear-resistant liners. First, let's visit our pattern-making workshop. Integrated CNC machining ensures high precision and excellent durability. We offer a full range of mold types. Next, we arrive at the molding workshop. A series of processes are carefully carried out to prepare for the pouring stage. This lays the foundation for successful casting. Next comes high-temperature melting of specialty alloys. Temperature is strictly controlled to ensure material quality and achieve precise pouring. This ensures complete component formation. After cooling and shakeout, professional heat treatment is performed to enhance hardness and wear resistance. Now we arrive at our precision machining workshop. Advanced machining equipment is used to further optimize the product. This ensures assembly dimensions meet required standards. Finally, the products undergo inspection to guarantee the quality of every product.